First method, update the Wi-Fi driver. Click to start, type device manager. Okay, open it and then find out network adapter and extract this. Then please check if any warning, yellow icon, red icon it's coming or not. Okay, so it is coming like a Wi-Fi, and right click to uninstall, then click uninstall. After that click to action and then click to scan hardware changes, then it will come again, and then select the right click and update driver and update driver. Okay, then right click to update, then property again and go to power management, uncheck this one, allow the computer off saving, then click to OK and then close it. Second, come for configure the adapter, then click to start and then type device manager, open it, extract adapter, select the Wi-Fi, right click, click to property and then click advanced options, then find out 802.11b. Okay, so all it's like last one, wireless mode last. Okay, transmits power, select the highest. Okay, roaming emergency, then it's medium low, otherwise middle. Okay, then perfect brand also 6 generations you can select this. Okay, and if you know, so it will automatically, like, after that click to OK and then close it. Then guys, reset the network stack. So this is 3 command we have to use one by one in CMD. So after that it will shut down your system, and after 10 seconds you have to start up again after 10 to 15 seconds. So click to start, type CMD, right click to run as administrator. So copy, otherwise you can type manually, one by one use. This is 3 command: nets win stock reset, net stack, IP reset and shut down. This command will, after the hit, it will shut down your system. After 10 seconds you have to run again, and then please check it your issue. Thank you.